Meaning of deb.
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 Deb. Deb is a file format used in Debian-based Linux operating systems to store and distribute software packages. These packages often contain executable binaries, configuration files, and other resources necessary for the software to function properly on the system. Deb files are installed using package managers such as apt and dpkg, and can be used to easily manage software dependencies and updates on a Linux system. The format allows for efficient compression and installation of software packages, making it a popular choice for software distribution in the Linux community.